Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to be like Lucifer Morningstar personality step by step. Start by cultivating confident curiosity, ask bold questions, and listen with warmth. Build charisma through steady eye contact and light, well-timed humor. Keep moral clarity but remain open to nuance. Balance charm with responsibility. Use rituals like daily reflection to track progress. Repeat small social experiments and adjust tone until authenticity feels natural and effortless. Warmly practice social techniques that mirror Lucifer Morningstar without copying him. Tell concise stories that reveal values and create emotional hooks. Mirror posture and timing subtly to enhance trust, never mimic. Offer playful challenges to spark engagement and reveal character. This shows confidence and curiosity. Balance teasing with sincere compliments so people feel seen. Track reactions and refine timing until interactions feel effortless and respectful for everyone around you. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading anywhere and fits that relaxed, curious lifestyle we talked about. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one if you want. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt moral flexibility like Lucifer Morningstar by pairing curiosity with compassion. Explore gray areas thoughtfully, asking how choices affect others before acting. Keep charm distinct from manipulation by testing intentions against real outcomes and honest feedback. Own mistakes openly and make reparations when needed. Accountability builds trust faster than denial. Use clear personal rules to guide behavior, so freedom serves growth and relationships rather than fleeting impulses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.